Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can buy XRP Ripple on Phantom wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead first, open up your Phantom wallet in your mobile phone. Right, once you have signed in, you're going to go back from over here and we will be in the home section. You're going to go to the section of buy right over here. And when you go and buy and search XRP, you will not be able to find it. So what you're going to do instead you're going to purchase whatever the Phantom wallet already has. For example, Solana, Ethereum, whatever you have, you're going to simply go ahead, add in the worth, how much you would like to purchase, tap on buy at the bottom, and you're going to use your credit and debit card, whatever you prefer for the payment method. Once you've provided the payment method and purchased it, right, you're gonna go back and your balance will be added over here. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the swap option, and from over here you're going to choose Solana or Ethereum that we have purchased. Right, we're going to go ahead Ethereum, search it up, and we're going to add it over here. Since we don't have that asset, that's why it's showing that. Once Ethereum is over there, we're going to tap and type in XRP, XRP Ripple over here, and there you go. You're going to swap it will turn into XRP Ripple and you're good to go. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.